Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make raw pap ogi in Yoruba, Akamu in Igbo, using cornmeal or corn flour. This one, it doesn't have a mixture or whatever. This is just purely corn, yellow corn. I found this one more economical and it has the same purpose as the normal corn. So and also this one is easier for me. I don't have to start blending so much, but it's just gonna give me access, especially the blender I'm using, so that it won't knock engine. Get what I mean? So this is the main ingredient, the cornmeal. I have two. I normally do more than this, but because of the coronavirus of a thing, so the store was already ransacked and I could only get two. And whatever that is big enough to contain your corn, and the one I'm using is my pot. So I need a clean water, and then I'm going to show you the sieve and the bag, and I'm going to also show you the alternative. So this is what you need for this to sieve the pap, and this is the bag. Once I'm done with sieving the pap, this is where I pour in the pap. This is the bag I use. And the alternative is your pillow case. So you can just tear up your pillow and get the foams out of it, and then you can just turn it into something like this so that you can use it to pour in your pap. And once you're done, it just serves the same purpose. I use the both of them when I have bigger pap quantity to make. So, and this one is a scarf. I got it from Walmart. You see that it serves the same purpose. You can use it if you don't have the ones that are from Nigeria. So we're going to start the first process. Tear off this and pour it into the pot. See the color? Can you see what it looks like? This is what it looks like for some of you don't know. It still has it's chaffy. It still have its chaff. It's just like corn you blended. Guys, I'm about to show you what it looks like. The pap looks like on the first. This is the one. This is what it is. This is the process of fermentation. So what I'm going to do is just to change the water, and I'm going to show you what it looks like after. So I've changed the water. This is what it's looking like, and what it looks like after 4 days. So what I have to do now is to drain this water. Should be. This is what it looks like. You could see the corn. You could see, but the ones that already formed the Akamu already. So this is what it looks like. This is my blender, and as you can see, I'm going to use the grind. But before I use the grind, I'm going to crush it first before I use the grind. And I have this container right here where I'll be putting the grinded ones in. clean water. You need the container to put in to sieve the pap, and then this is your sieve cloth. So obviously what you're going to do is just gonna take your time, your whole day, but it's worth it at last. So you're going to let it settle until you see a clear. Right now you can see it's like foggy, or you can see until you see a very clear, clean water. That's when you're going to sieve it out and then get your pap. So the water is clear. To drain out some of the excess water, and then I will put the remaining in here. So this here is the apple bag. I don't know what they call it. Okay, they call it Muslin bag. Anyways, they call it Muslin bag. Now to just show you what it means to have a clear water. So this is what we have left here. It may seem so small, right? It seems so small. So this is what it should be like. This is pap right here. So this is the 5th day, or approximately the 6th day of the pap making, and this is the quantity we got. So what I did after, I must have removed the excess water, after doing it like this. I brought it to the sink, and then I now put a heavy object on it so that the water could just go all off. So let's reveal our pap, and let me show you what it looks like. So these are my containers. I'm gonna put them in the freezer. So let's see what our pap looks like. You ready? You ready? Oh yeah. This is the corn starch, or the ogi, or pap, the raw ogi. See, it should be dried like this. Look at that. Look at that. My husband, that I was supposed to get, like, these 2 packs are supposed to get me over $20, $50 actually. because if one of these, even, I mean half, oh sorry, half of this and water will be filled in it is for $10. And this is the quantity I put in. I will put some water. The end of this is the end of today's the end of the tutorial on how to make your own raw pap from home, from scratch, you know, at the comfort of your own home. And I'm so happy and I'm fulfilled that at least this coronavirus will not affect my family for a long time because apparently we have this, and it can go with beans. You know, when you have it can go with beans. You can be eaten normally just like that with milk and sugar and honey. You can be eaten with plantain, fried plantain. It could, or fried yam. It could be eaten with moi moi. That's a beans cake. Or it can be eaten with akara, fried beans cake. But, you know, it could be eaten like normally, like pretty much is very versatile, and most especially if you are a nursing mother. I could remember when I gave birth to my babies, you know, I was advised to buy a whole lot of pap to be taken to increase my breast milk supply. So I would, if you are a nursing mother, this is really good for you. It's really good. It helps to increase your breast milk supply. So, and it's also, you know, I know starch doesn't, it's carbohydrate, right? But anyways, it has some nutritional values added to it. So this is it. And for my children too, if you don't want to give your children American processed food, you can make this. My kids love pap a lot. So it has also benefits for men. So you could research, you know, and then it's also beneficial for your husband. So yeah guys, so this is the end of the tutorial. So I'm going to send you some pictures to show you what it looks like after making it. All right then, see you next time. Bye bye, love you. Mwah. So I'm making the pap, obviously just like the normal way you make pap. So you add water and then you mix real good. So after mixing it, this is the consistency I got. So my water is already on the fire. So it's almost there. So hold on a minute. Yeah, this is your pap. This is it. This is it. Does it look like pap? Yeah. Does it taste like pap? Yep. This is it.